Hello everyone, welcome back to my vlog. So today I'm going for nails extensions, and these are my nails before extensions, and now I'm just going and I'm very excited. Right now I'm in car, so basically I'm thinking that I'll go for some nude color or golden something. It's in my mind, let's see. And I will tell you everything in detail, whether you all should go for extension or not, or is it painful or not, or many questions like what is the price and how was my total experience. And I'm very excited. So yeah, I will see you in a bit, and I will try to take a lot of clips of my when he will or she will do my nails extensions. So yeah, I'm on the way. Let's see. Bye. So finally now I'm going inside the parlor. So yeah, going to show you.
So yes guys, the name of the salon was the Khoobsurat Salon, and we just entered, and then I just talk about prices and all, and this was the place.
So finally I'm going to start, and I'm very excited right now. So yeah.
So yes guys, first they were giving shape to my original nails, and they also cut my extra nail, and it was like pretty like as we all do, basic manicure. Then they were also pulling out my extra mass of my hands. So yes, then after that they were taking size of my nails and of every finger, and then they were just putting aside, as you all can see in the video. So in this video I'm gonna tell you each and every step very properly, so this whole procedure you will get to know. And it was really very new and exciting for me, and I really enjoyed over there. And the girl who was doing this was very frank, and yeah, she was doing a great job. So if you are in Uttarakhand, I mean in Kashipur or Bajpur area, then you absolutely should go over there. So yes guys, again she was giving shape to my nail, I mean to my original nail, and she was doing like proper manicure. So after giving proper shape to my nails, she was using transparent nail paint to all over my nails. And also guys, I will try to make this video in English, I mean in Hindi and English, both the languages, because I got lot of DMs like you should use Hindi also. तो अब मैं हिंदी भी use करूँगी इस वीडियो में. So finally guys, now she was putting nails. So first she was using some Fevicol like stuff, some gum, and then she was first she was using that tube and then pasting the nail on my nails. So yeah, so yes, as you all can see in the video, so I was feeling very great, like I have 2 long nails now, and I was just adoring it a lot, as you all can see in video what I was doing, like crazy stuff with my nails. And again I was just adoring and adoring. So now she started giving shape to my extensions. So she asked what shape you want, and I told like I want cute square shape. So yeah, so she was making cute square shape of my extensions. So basically I told her like of my left hand I want like long nails and little bit short on my right hand, because we use a lot our right hand. So it will be very good guys if you keep a little bit small length of your right nails. And you can see how cute these nails were looking, and I was just adoring it again. And then she was putting some gel on my nail. It was a white gel. So yeah. So yes, after that she told me to put hands on the machine so that gel get dry. And then again she was putting second layer of gel on the hand, and then again I have to put the hands on the machine so that it get dry. The procedure was very nice for both the hands. One was drying and then second was she was putting, gel on the hands. Then finally, I will have to take decision for what color I have to choose. I thought a lot, and then finally I said her for this color. So this color is pink nude, something. It was basically in the pink color because I want pink and I love just pink color. I don't know why, but it was some different color, not proper pink, like nude pink. And I thought one nail I'll do, silver color, and it was looking so glossy. This silver color, my god, literally it was looking so much glossy. I loved it. As you can see my hands, again I'm just adoring it. I don't know why. And then we thought we'll put some crystals also in it, and it was in silver color, and it was looking so pretty, guys. You will see it when this will be done. My god, I just loved it. I thought I'll only decorate one nail because it looks classy. And then again the nail paint was drying, and yes, then our nail was done.
तो अब मैं आप सबको कुछ की पॉइंट्स बताऊंगी नेल्स एक्सटेंशंस के बारे में. सो नाउ आई एम मेकिंग दिस वीडियो इन इंग्लिश. मैं वीडियो ये इंग्लिश हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों में इसलिए बना रही हूँ बिकॉज आई गॉट लॉट्स ऑफ DMs एंड कॉमेंट्स दैट यू शुड speak Hindi also. So what I am thinking is in my vlogs I'll be speaking Hindi also. So now whether you should go for nails extensions or not, what was the expense, everything now I'm gonna tell you. So first come to expense. तो मैंने कितने पे किए थे? So I paid ₹2,000 for both the hands. And if you want to put some extra accessories in on your nails, then they will charge more extra amount, around 200 to 300. That completely depends upon your accessories. Then next question comes is that कि पेन होता है या नहीं होता है नेल्स एक्सटेंशंस के वक्त. सो गाइज आई डोंट थिंक, मैंने जब कराया था मुझे पेन बिल्कुल नहीं हुआ था, और अगर होता भी है तो बहुत ही माइनर पेन होता है. ओके, वेरी लिटिल पेन, अदरवाइज नहीं होता है. सो आई वेदर पेन होता है या नहीं होता, दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली नॉट. बहुत ही माइनर होता है, वो भी मतलब ना के बराबर. ओके, द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट वेदर यू शुड go for it or not. So this is completely your choice. If you loved it, if you love nails extensions, then you should absolutely go. And if you not, then don't go. That's absolutely your choice. But yeah, I will say you this thing, you got only one life. So I think you should do everything whatever you love or whatever you want. एक लाइफ है, सब कुछ करो. But if you will ask my recommendation, then yes, absolutely you should go for it. And next thing is that नेल्स एक्सटेंशंस के लिए यू हैव टू गो हर मंथ के बाद आपको नेल्स एक्सटेंशंस की रीफिलिंग करानी होती है, क्योंकि जो आपका अपना नेल होता है वो बढ़ता है तो आपका नेल्स एक्सटेंशन यहाँ तक आ जाता है, तो आपको उसके लिए रीफिलिंग की ज़रूरत होती है, राइट. सो आफ्टर अ मंथ यू हैव टू गो फॉर रीफिलिंग. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट नेल्स एक्सटेंशन कब तक के लिए चलते हैं. सो नेल्स एक्सटेंशंस चलते हैं 25 to 30 डेज के लिए. आइडियली बोला जाता है कि 1 मंथ के लिए चलते हैं, बट एब्सोल्युटली यू हैव टू टेक प्रॉपर केयर ऑफ योर हैंड्स. आपको ज़्यादा प्रेशर नहीं करना है अपने नेल्स पे. इफ़ यू विल डू इट तो एब्सोल्युटली नहीं चलेंगे ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए. सो टुडे इज़ माई 11th डे एंड ये जैसे थे वैसे ही हैं, मतलब दे आर वेरी गुड एंड आई लाइक्ड इट.
So yeah, so that's all. And if you have any more confusions about or some more questions about, you know, nails extensions, you can comment me or you can DM me, whatever you can do me, and I will tell you, and I will give my best so that I can give you answer. Okay. And next thing, what color you should go for, absolutely again your choice. मैं pink color में गई थी because, you know, nude pink and this silver color, because I am a lover of pinkish. But when it comes to trend, you can go for nude color, you can go for white color, is a lot in trend. I'm thinking also for now I'm thinking for white also, so you can go. And yeah, that's all in this vlog, guys. I hope you all like this vlog. I have made in English, and I will make more and more vlogs. So yes, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And now I will see you all in my next video, and I hope you all like it. So yeah, I hope I will make more creative and, you know, fun vlogs and informative too. So yeah, see you guys in next vlog and video. So yeah, bye bye, take care.